What's going on, guys? I'm Fuller from Custom Offsets, Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube, and a few days ago we showed you guys the most expensive lift kits on the website, and then you guys asked for us to show you the cheapest lift kits on the website. So I went through and obviously I found a whole bunch of like leveling kits, and you can get them for like $100. There's a whole bunch of very, very affordable stuff out there on the website, but I kind of wanted to go through and pick, you know, more of an actual lift kit. So I started as low as 3.5 and then just went up incrementally from there. So we're looking at, what do we have? 3.5, 4-inch, 6-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch kits. So these are the top 5 lowest priced lift kits on the website in their own respective categories. So we'll jump into it. So the first kit on our list is the Rough Country 3.5-inch kit. Now this is for the 07 to 13 GM 1500 trucks. You guys have probably heard us talk about this one before. Maybe you've seen it. It's only $170 for a 3.5-inch lift kit, and it includes new shocks, blocks for the rear and front spacers. So everything you need to get your truck lifted 3.5 inches. Then they also do have an upgraded version of the same kit for $450. The biggest difference there being that it includes Rough Country's forged upper control arms, which is something that I would totally recommend. I think that's probably a good route to go because that 3.5-inch kit does really kind of max out your front end components. It's as big as you want to go without doing a diff drop and cutting your cross members and all that stuff. So you might as well spend a little bit more, get those forged upper control arms, so at least you've got correct ball joint angles. Now, moving on from there, if you want to step it up a little bit taller, Superlift actually has a 4-inch kit for the 17 and up Super Duties. So this is going to be not just a video for half tons, it's the 3/4 ton guys too, and not any like old trucks, it's all relatively new stuff. So 17 and up, like I said, Super Duty, $425 for a 4-inch lift kit from Superlift. Coil spacer, shock relocation, bump stop spacers are all combined into one bracket, which makes it really easy to install. It takes only about 4 hours to do this kit. The straight axle trucks are a bit easier, I would say, than some of the modern IFS trucks. Moving on from there, again talking about the 07 to 13 Chevy and GMC 1500 pickup trucks. It's just a good option, good baseline. You can actually get an FTS 6-inch kit for $1,000. Now, usually the Rough Country kit is also $1,000, and that actually includes things like skid plates and new shocks and all that. The FTS kit doesn't include that, but if you're one of those guys who just refuses to run Rough Country, you want to run something else, FTS is a pretty well-known name. Usually they're the guys making the 12-inch and 15-inch lift kits for, you know, very show-oriented vehicles. But if you don't want to go quite that big because the budget doesn't allow it, for $1,000 you get a 6-inch lift kit from FTS. Stepping up to 8 inches, you can actually get a Pro Comp lift kit for the, what was it, F250 and 350? Yeah, F250 and 350 trucks for $1,200, which you're getting a pretty massive kit. 8-inch kit is nothing to shake a stick at, and it's only $1,200, so pretty impressive there. It's the cheapest full suspension kit, so there's options out on the website for like dual shock conversions for the front for an 8-inch lift, but that's not an 8-inch lift itself. This is the cheapest full and complete 100% bolt-on direct installation 8-inch lift kit for the 05 to 07 F250 and F350. So this kit actually includes new coil springs, shocks, and add a leaf for the rear. And going this big means you might need an actual shop to install it because you're probably going to want to lift, but if you want to try to tackle it yourself, they say you can do it in about 8 to 10 hours. The cheapest 10-inch lift kit on the website is actually for a Ford Excursion, which, fun fact, I used to own one of these, but I did not have a 10-inch lift kit, and it's from BDS. So for $2,000, you get BDS quality and 10 inches of lift for your Ford Excursion. It's all the drop brackets, hardware, shocks, drop pitman arm, all that kind of stuff, as well as leaf springs that you kind of expect to get. And it's just, honestly, I didn't think you could get a 10-inch lift kit for $2,000, but there you have it. So those are the 5 cheapest lift kits on our website. There's actually a whole bunch more, but I didn't want to pick too many of the same thing for the same year, make, and model, or too many very small ones. Like, I mean, there's like half-inch leveling kits for like $20. You'd be amazed what you can find. Go to the website, enter in your year, make, model, hit sort price by low, and then you can see all of these options that I went over to. So check that out, customoffsets.com. That should be it. Peace.